Hi, in this video we will learn how to set up test device ID. Setting your device as a test device. Andromo allows you to define one or more devices as test devices so that you will only be shown test ads on your device. You're encouraged to do this to prevent false impressions clicks. You can get your device ID by installing Andromo's Device ID utility app on your devices, copying each ID, and entering them in the AdMob Test Device IDs field. How to do it? First, please click the link above. Download and install the app into your smartphone or any Android device. Please find the link in the description section below. After successfully installing, please open the Device Utility ID app on your phone. Click on Show Device ID. This is the ID for your phone. Next, click on the Copy button. Alternatively, you can also click on the Email Device ID menu. It will continue to send this ID to your email. The next step. Open Andromo and select your project. Then click on Monetization. Click on the AdMob menu on the left. Next, paste the ID code in this column. When done, do not forget to press the Save Changes button. Click on the Build menu to build a new APK. Download this new APK and install it into your phone. Now you can see the results. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is useful for you.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and share. See you next time.